I remember about a decade ago, I was taking a flight. I was headed from Dallas to Atlanta to see my older sister. And I was waiting for my flight to take off. I was just hanging out at the terminal. And I just had a bunch of ideas in my mind about this business, this company, this organization that I wanted to put up. And instead of just having it dwell in my mind and all the thoughts and ideas just race through it, I simply grabbed a piece of paper and I just started writing down whatever it was that was in my mind. And that gave me the platform to start the organization. It gave me a direction. A lot of times, a lot of us have so many ideas in our heads in terms of what we want to do, what we want to accomplish, how we want to maybe market it, or the product, or the service, or the angle. Whatever it is that you have in your mind, very simply, just grab a sheet of paper and just put it down. This right here was the first plan that I had put together a decade ago when I was putting up an insurance agency. And since this plan right here, so many times have I made changes. 3 months, 6 months, a year, 3 years, 5 years, all the time. You're always going to be making some kind of changes. This plan that you come up with, your first plan, will not be the plan. It will not be the final plan. It's going to change. But the reality is, you've got to put some kind of plan together so then you can start taking the steps to accomplish the goals, the dreams, whatever it is that you want to market, whatever it is that you believe. But you got to put it down on a piece of paper. It gives you direction, and ever so often you're gonna come back, you're gonna make changes to it. So instead of just waiting around and having all these ideas and thoughts in your head, put it down on a sheet of paper, on your phone, something, a napkin, if you're sitting at a bar or a restaurant, wherever you might be, just put it down, and that will then become a platform for you to launch and start taking actions. That's the thing that counts the most, is you writing down the plan and then taking actions towards it.